Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about something interesting and something that came in last 4 to 5 years. Today we'll talk about reduce. If you are aware of it, just brush it up because reduce is going to be used in few places where you use the conventional methodologies. So I suggest if you're not using reduce, please start using reduce. I'll tell you why exactly we don't and why exactly I wasn't also. So first we'll go to the syntax part of it, how it is used, how the things are, and so let's go to the documentation, official documentation coming out of SAP. So the documentation says you can use reduce in the following terms. The terms is you have to you write the keyword reduce, then the type of the data type that will come out of the reduce, and then you have to put the initial condition, that's init, and there you have a condition. After that you have a start of value or like any initiation. Then you have a logic for expression, like how long it will go and what is the next step. These 3 points. First is initiation, then is how long it will go, and the last is how it will propagate, +1, -1, +2, -2, whatever it is. This is how this reduce operator works on a technical ground. Let's talk about an example using loop and reduce. A developer in SAP blogs has done. The developer name I cannot see. If I am able to, I'll give it to you. Douglas. So thanks goes to Douglas, has been created this blog. I will share the link, and Horskiller also has created a great blog for the reference. I'll keep it open for your reference and I'll show you. Now what example Douglas has given is you have two tables. Okay, consider you have table. Depending on one table you have to add one value in the second table. So it's looping in KOMB table using the KPOSN value, and the KPOSN and the net worth or net price is added with the KWERT field. To loop on each condition, add the value, complete the loop. So in number of times, if IT KOMB has 1 lakh entries, the loop will run 1 lakh times. So that's ON complexity, which is very high. So it's running every time for this. So reduce this complexity to, if I'm not wrong, O log n, because we don't define in ABAP the complexity level, but still the complexity goes very down when we do the reduce statement. The reduce statement works in the same way which I explained earlier. You have to write the reduce, then the type of the data, then you do an initiation. You're initiating a variable which is type of net price or NETWR. So you are creating a data type WA, which is technically a work area, and it will filter or it will run on the condition that in KOMB you have a key and you have mentioned it using this key, and how long it will go, where KPOSN is equal to the value reference of EBELP. Okay, so this is the conditions which you have already utilized on it, and then you have the next condition. Next condition means what happens for the next line. So this one statement calculates depending on these 3 conditions. It will take all the values from WA. WA is a work area that's looping in the KOMB. We'll get the KWERT for the condition which are successful, and add it in the val variable, and the total val will go to the KPO network entity bluer field, and it can be displayed like calling the demo display function. It's easily can be printed. So we have a great example from host killer. I'll try to open the blog if I am able to find it. So I guess I have to look into it. So I'll put the link of this one for reference documentation. Here also the same thing happens, how it loops and increases and gets the final value. So that was for today. We'll make similar videos very soon. If you like the video, you can subscribe our channel. We'll see you until next video. Until then, bye bye.